Hello, my name is Derika Asakova on InstaForex TV with the latest Forex news. The new finance minister of Japan, Naoto Kan, announced at the first day of his work that he would like to weaken the yen, and his wish seems to come true soon. On Thursday, the Japanese currency fell sharply as the minister wanted the dollar-yen pair to trade around 95, that is 3% above the current rates, with the purpose of supporting the national exporters. This announcement points to a drastic change of the government's approach, which preferred not to strike into the stock market since the last summer. There were no actions even after the pair's fall to the mark of 85. A great many of analysts and investors are waiting for the yen downswing in the coming months. Some people expect Naoto Kan to be the main factor for the Japanese currency behavior. As the rates in Japan are rather low, further easing of the monetary policy is unlikely to take place, which could be an important item for successful influence on the currency market. In addition, Japan will not possibly obtain the international support because the national currency weakening can be considered by other countries as permissiveness. Thus, the president of France, Nicolas Sarkozy, registered his disapproval this week concerning the euro strengthening. Meanwhile, the rising difference between recovery paces in the USA and Japan is just a matter of time. The main is the pace of growth. The GDP data for the third quarter of 2009, released in December, uncovered the difference between the Japan and the USA. The Japanese gross domestic product advanced by 1.3% and the US GDP rose by 2.2%. This means that investors will be inclined to invest funds into the stock market and American companies rather than into Japan, as expected by pessimistic observers. Meanwhile, the situation in the bonds market also demonstrates the yen weakening. The nominal profitability of the US bonds market has been extremely high recently compared to the Japanese one. Amid this, the investors begin taking on the US rates uptrend. Some experts think that such tendencies may result in the wave of foreign bonds purchasing by the Japanese investors. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team and me, Derika Asakova. Thank you for watching us and goodbye.